Welcome to Leadwell. In response to heavy-duty and long workpieces processing industries, we provide the LTC-35XXLM. From FEA analysis, LTC-35XXLM is a powerful structure that is designed in 45-degree slant bed plus the configuration of ribs that can effectively transmit the force to the ground directly. The main body structure of the LTC-35XXLM is made of mehanite cast iron, which is a very stable material, ensuring that the entire machine will not deform for a long lifetime. The LTC-35XXLM is also designed with a high-power spindle motor that is capable of highly efficient turning ability with 3006 mm maximum turning length. With an optional power turret, the machine can control workpiece processing precision effectively through turning, milling, and drilling processing models. Contact surfaces of all high-rigid Boxway and tercite beta are accurately scrapped to ensure smooth contact surface and enhance overall bearing capacity and processing precision. Both X-axis and Z-axis are designed with large track spans, which is beneficial to resist cutting vibration during processing heavy workpieces. Its amount of feed, cutting amount on one side, is large during cutting. The range of large spindle hole is from 185 mm to 365 mm with optional chuck from 12 inches to 32 inches, which is easy to process the medium and large workpieces. Power turret. The power turret is for greater flexibility and versatility in machining operations. It can save time during machining processes, reduces downtime, and improves overall efficiency. Motor power, 11 kilowatt. Live tool holder speed, 3,600 revolutions per minute. The processed parts of LTC-35XXLM are made of medium carbon steel, which includes a variety of complex processing procedures, such as radial drilling, cylindrical power milling, and fixed-axis milling of keyways, which conform to the main shape of the long workpiece application, showing the processing benefits of radial milling diversity. In a word, the LTC-35XXLM is a high-quality turning center designed to provide excellent heavy-duty turning efficiency. Its mehanite cast iron main body structure, hardened Boxway, 45-degree slant bed design, and efficient chip removal system make it an outstanding machine for heavy-duty turning operations. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to know more about us, do not hesitate to contact us directly or visit our website.